Welcome, my dear friends, to this civil engineering professional course of Master Estimation, Costing and Tendering. This is specially for the civil engineers. This course includes 20 module, 1 live project, and 3 tools which are Excel, Power BI, and artificial intelligence. The gap in the civil engineering education. There is a big gap. Most of the engineers know the theory, few can win a real tender. This course bridges the gap. The complete tender life cycle taught the way leading contractors actually work. By the end of this course, you will be able to independently prepare complete bill of quantities and rate analysis for any construction item. Read NIT, RFP, RFQ documents and decide whether to bid. Build resources, costing and cash flow plans that hold up on the real project. Price a bid strategically and submit it professionally online or offline. This is not a quantity survey course, it is a complete tendering system. Real industry practice, ready to use templates, Power BI dashboard, AI assisted estimation, and real case studies. The complete tender life cycle will be: we will find the tenders online, offline, we will understand the tender, prepare the tender information, investigate the site, we will read the drawing, we will calculate the quantities, we will prepare the BOQ, we will do the estimate and rate analysis. Then we will plan for the resources, bid and price strategy, that we will decide whether to bid, whether to not to bid, whether this project is profitable or time consuming, that we will decide. And then we will prepare our tender documents, we will submit the documents, and we will try to win the contract. This is the core of entire course. Everything before it leads here, everything after it depends on it. So the heart of tendering is quantity takeoff and rate analysis. Every winning bid and every losing one is decided here. Rate analysis includes material, labor, equipment, transport, overhead, profit and taxes. And how the rate analysis done? Rate analysis done from the quantity takeoffs and accurate BOQ. What is accurate BOQ? The single document every cost, resources, plan and bid price is built upon. And what is quantity takeoff? Is the earthwork, RCC reinforcement, form work, masonry finishing and roads, drainage or whatever the quantities that we can quantify the project. Everything feeds into and out of the rate analysis. What is feeds into the rate analysis? That is the tender document and specification, site condition and accessibility of the project, easiness of the project, construction drawing, quantity takeoff data. Then drives everything after the rate analysis, that is the resources and equipment planning, project costing and budgeting, bid pricing and markup strategy, and final BOQ and our tender submission. What you will learn here? You will learn the tender intelligence, estimation and costing, resource and risk planning, bidding and submission. That our curriculum is built on 4 parameters. First is the foundation, that is the understanding the tender. Next is the estimation and the rate analysis. Third one is turning our rates into a winning prize. And finally, submission, practice and modern tools. Tools you will master in this course. You will master in Excel related to the estimation and tendering. You will use the Power BI for preparing the dashboard, which are useful for the management decision, and the same dashboard we can build with the help of artificial intelligence, and lot of things we can do with the help of artificial intelligence. Who should enroll in the civil engineering students, diploma and graduate engineers, quantity surveyors, site and planning engineers, estimation and billing engineers, project managers, contractors and builders, consultants and construction entrepreneurs can enroll. I am your instructor, myself Shripad Kapade. I have decades of real planning and estimation experience. I have experience in infrastructure, highway, marine work, industrial project, and public work. Are you ready for the estimation cost and winning your first real tender? Enroll now and start with the skill every contractor relies on: rate analysis and bill of quantities. Enroll now. I will see you there.